Hey guys, so I have the Allure beauty box for the month of August. I am talking a little bit lower just because everyone in my family is asleep right now, including my toddler. It's 6 o'clock in the morning and I am getting ready for work. So excuse me if you might have to turn up the volume a little bit. So this is a little magazine for this month's box, and as always it comes in a little baggie. So that's what the baggie looks like for this month. And this is the box just in case you've never seen it. So this is a $15 a month subscription. I do pay for this myself. It comes around to like 16 something with taxes. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump in, and the first thing that I see in here is the mini makeup eraser. It's supposed to erase all your makeup with just water. It's supposed to be like equivalent to 3,600 makeup wipes. So I'm gonna definitely try this out. To me it seems like something that could be useful. I'm not sure if I would be able to use that, but it seems nice because it kind of reduces waste. You know, a lot of times we use like those wipes and are always throwing away stuff. So the mini in black says that it's $12. So I'm not sure how much the full size one is, but this little mini one is $12 if I'm not mistaken. That's what it says here in the little booklet. So it's supposed to be more eco-friendly, and you're just supposed to put it in the wash. So definitely will let you guys know if I love that or hate that, if it comes up in one of my favorites, because I am doing favorites now every month again. So next thing in here is a little tiny itty bitty little baby. It says Primera Alpine Berry Water Cream, Hydrate and Glow. This is definitely something that I will try. I'm all about the glow. This is super tiny. And it just looks kind of like, yeah, just like a very moisturizing cream. And let me see what the full size goes for. So the full size goes for $40, and that's what it looks like there. It's supposed to be, let me see, it's supposed to have glycerin and cocoa seed butter and supposedly make you look very hydrated. So I mean, it's nice to have a tiny one, but would have preferred something a little bit bigger. That's like way too tiny. Next thing in here is the Cargo, what is this? The Cargo Essential Lip Color, and this is in the shade, I don't know, I want to say Sedona. It looks like a bright shade. Let me open it from the bottom because I might just gift this away. Yeah, this is in the shade Sedona, and that's what it looks like right there. I'm not going to swatch it because I am going to give it away. It looks like a bright orange shade, but that's just, I know I'm not really going to use it, so I'd rather just give it away to someone who will. And this is worth $22. It is supposed to be a beautiful like orangey red. It's supposed to be with one coat and done, so it's supposed to be super pigmented. Like I said, I'm just gonna give it away to someone else because it is a color that I will not use. So yeah, I'm not really a fan of oranges. They don't look really nice on my skin tone. So hopefully that'll, I can find someone who it will look nice on. I feel like orange tones look very beautiful on more tan skin, more, I'm kind of like a light medium, but I feel like medium to tan skin, it really looks nice on. So next thing in here is something that I really loved for the longest time, and I used the crap out of, and it's the They're Real mascara. I really like this mascara. Sometimes it can get a little prickly on the edges of your lashes, so that is something to watch out for because of the brush itself. And this is just one of the mini versions. This is probably like $10 or $12. And as you can see there, it's like really spiky, and I used to love that the little ball at the end also has the bristles, so you could really get in there and like elongate the lashes. So that is nice. And then the next thing in here that I see are these little multitask eye serum masks. So these are just like those under eye little eye patches, and that is worth, those are worth $35. So I don't know if that's just for one or if that's a full size. If it is a full size, then damn, that is way too expensive. I mean, it better make my under eyes look brand new. So I don't know. I don't think I would ever buy that on its own. Especially since a lot of times in Marshalls and stuff you can find a lot of under eye little patches like that for way cheaper. So next thing in here seems like something that is full size, and this is the Liquid Beam. It says it's a multi-purpose liquid illuminator in the shade Topaz by the brand Laritzi Cosmetics. I have never heard of this brand, so definitely something new to me. This is worth $22, and it says it is a bronze eyeshadow with a wet finish, or you could use it, let me see, blah blah blah, or you can use it as a highlight. Apparently you can use it anywhere you want to, so it's just a multi-purpose highlighter. So let's go ahead and see what this looks like. Oh, that's pretty. It's kind of like a pretty gold with like a darker shade of gold, and I don't know, I'm not that impressed by it. It just looks like a light wash of shimmer. So I would think that you could use this on top of your lids. I'm gonna go ahead and put some on the inner corner of my eyes and see how that looks. Maybe a little bit on my highlight. I mean, it blends nicely. It's nice and soft, but I don't know, not really. That's how I feel. And then the last thing in here seems like something full size as well. And this is the Nuria Triple Action Eye Cream with mulberry root and ginseng, native to China. So this is just an eye cream to help with dark circles, fine lines, puffiness, and it is vegan, cruelty free. It's supposed to be like clean beauty, and that is a full size as well, and that one is worth $40. So it's definitely the best thing in here is this. This is worth $40, and it supposedly says that it doesn't crease the concealer. So you're supposed to use this. It's really good under makeup. So I definitely might try this under makeup, because I am all about my, you know, to not having my concealer crease. And after you've reached a certain age, you want like the least creasing possible in those fine lines. So might try this out, or I might give it away because I have way too many eye creams and, you know, it just becomes overbearing at times. So, oh my God, there's like a little bug. Okay, the situation has been handled. So that is it for this month's box. I have to say this month's box is just like, like I'm not really impressed by it. I didn't see anything that really like wowed me or I'm super excited about. So I don't know, like lately I feel like when I first started the Allure box, there was a lot of things that drew me in, and then lately I just been kind of disappointed. So we'll see as the months progress. Maybe I'll cancel it, maybe I won't, we'll see. But this month to me is just like anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, for subscribing. If you're not subscribed, hit that little red button down below. Thank you guys as always for all your support, and if you want to follow me on any of my social media, I'm always sharing different things with you guys as well. You can follow me on my Instagrams and everything in the little box down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.